it's me again. I just finished building my little carnival ride. It looks really horrible on its trailer, but it looks pretty cool when it's offloaded. But it's really cool, so I really wanted to show you. I just finished building it yesterday. It took me a total of 5 hours to put it together and make the gear shifts and find the platforms and pieces for it. It took me about 30 minutes just to find little connectors, just to connect the rods. So, yeah, it was a lot of time. So if this video goes wrong, because I have to unpack it and I really forgot how to pack it again. So, yeah, let's get started. I'm going to pull out the reviver for this thing. I didn't build a real stand yet because I just started it yesterday, so I'm just using a window. So I would literally like push here, pop this off, push this in. I built this after seeing the Lego Fairground, and I'm going to get that set. It's really cool. So, I can't find the spot. Where does it go? No wonder. This slot was carried up by Mike. Okay. Sit on the stand. We're going to start off by tilting it this way and taking this motor off the roof. It's not a technical motor. Taking these two things off. These two off. These two off, and taking the boot off. As you can tell, this ride's called Mass Destruction. I made it that way because when I was building it, actually, the ride actually looked like a dinosaur, and it was running with Godzilla, so you have like pipes and wires all over the place to make it look like it's a ride that Godzilla destroyed. So it's gonna be cool. Well, I think it's cool. I don't know what you guys think, but still, I'll look to see. I'm still putting a few things together. Okay. Let's do it. Nothing special really. It's just like, it looks like it's burnt down the building. Okay. Now I'm going to take this ride, tilt it this way. So the back end's facing you. I'm going to take this is like the main operatable ride. It spins around and stuff like that. So, take the stand off. Whoopsies. This is how I pieced it together. Okay, these two walls right here, goes in certain spots right here. So, gotta be exact. Because some spots don't really connect in it, so. Let's go here. Here. So in the back here, these things right here, actually go here. And I take this set of stairs, flip this over, and flip it in right here. So this is like your little, goes right here. It's like a little stepway to walk into the ride. So I'm going to take this off. Underneath this front end right there, there's a gear right in here. Wasn't meant to happen. So let me fix this up really, really fast. The barbed wire is out. Put this in. Put this one's ride piece that clipped off. This actually this ride is really simple to fix. It's like really easy. So you can clip it in anytime you want. It falls off. It's easy to fix. I remember the whole instructions. I actually am going to make a second one. I'm going to make a second ride and I'm going to review that for you. Anyways. Let's go over here. There's this gear right here, this gear piece. This gear piece actually makes the ride spin. So there's actually 2 versions of it. So this is one of the versions. It's one of the stick-up versions that make it work. So pushing back. Okay. Just look. This isn't really operated by anything. I ordered the Technic pieces. But when you spin this one piece right here, it actually moves that piece. It's pretty simple to make. Now, I'm going to set up the booth. Actually, see, I made these little fake motors. And this fake motor right here is going to go under there. And under there. And I'm going to set up the booth. I'm going to take this booth. This is my instruction on top. Put it in right here. This piece right here goes right here. This piece right here actually bends around to this. Yep. Yeah, it bends around this. But not that. This. It's up and down under the stairs, up into here, over there. Oh wait, I put the stand in the wrong spot because this piece is supposed to actually go into this. So when I built this, it was actually way more successful. It's right here. This broken motorcycle piece I have, which goes right here. It flips up in front of the line. It's like a little border line. And these little gear pieces that I connect. I connect the gear pieces, and then why isn't it going in? It works. It normally works, but I would take these little gear pieces and then stick them in here to make a line. I'm just gonna put it right here. Okay, time to set up the ride. Where is the stick? Okay, that's for tire. Okay. Here's like the main ride, really. It's the main ride. As I scroll around, it kind of looks like a dinosaur. So, that's why I call it mass destruction. Now, this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to take the ride, take this ride, and actually like lever it down onto the gear. It's pretty simple. All I need to do is take this black wire out. That's just for when you're moving it. Move this back this way. Let line on the gear. So when you spin it, it would move. Like that. Oh wait, sorry. Let's push this gear back. It's crooked. That makes sense. Oopsie daisy. Okay, this is like the worst video I've ever made. But I'm going to have to upload this anyways because this is the only shot I have at it. Because I'm not going to reset it. This actually isn't the original gear. It isn't the original gear. I actually had that smaller gear you've seen before. That was the original gear for it, but I didn't like it, so I switched it out. But now I'm thinking about putting it back. Well, anyways, I'm gonna take this, put it over here. This, put it over here. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I'm going to take this gear back, take that off, flip this over, take this off, put the smaller gear back on. I like that one better. It's not really that easy to... That other one makes so much noise. This one's actually quieter. Let's watch. Let's put it on the gear. Sometimes it'll only go one way, but and here's it when it's working. It does fit up to 8 people. It's just, what is it called? Prototype. It's not final. So, I hope to see you guys in my next video. This does not count as a one of my series, the building series. So, bye. See you next time.